What critical risks do data privacy impact assessments prevent? Imagine a world where your personal information is safe and your rights are protected. That's what data privacy impact assessments aim to do. They are tools organizations use to find and fix privacy problems before they become big issues. These assessments look at how personal data is collected, stored, and used throughout its entire life cycle. They help organizations stay on the right side of the law and keep trust with their users. One major risk they prevent is breaking privacy laws and regulations. Laws like the General Data Protection Regulation and the California Privacy Rights Act set strict rules for handling personal data. If a company doesn't follow these rules, it can face huge fines and damage to its reputation. Conducting a data privacy impact assessment shows that the organization is serious about protecting privacy and following the law. Another key risk is data breaches and unauthorized access. These assessments help find weak spots in data systems that hackers or insiders could exploit. They recommend security measures like encryption, access controls, and firewalls to keep sensitive information safe. By doing this, they reduce the chance of data leaks that could harm individuals and lead to legal trouble. Overcollecting data is also a common problem. Sometimes companies gather more information than they need, which increases the risk if that data gets stolen or misused. Data privacy impact assessments analyze why data is needed and how much is necessary. This way, organizations only collect what's essential, limiting exposure and potential harm. Privacy risks to individuals are another concern. These assessments evaluate how data processing might affect people's rights and freedoms. For example, they look at risks from profiling, automated decisions, or surveillance. This helps ensure that data use is fair, lawful, and respects personal privacy. Reputational and ethical risks are also addressed. If a company mishandles data or breaches trust, it can suffer long-term damage. Data privacy impact assessments help organizations see if their data practices align with societal expectations and their own values. Operational risks are not forgotten. These assessments reveal gaps in privacy controls and help organizations put better safeguards in place. They also recommend ongoing monitoring to keep controls effective over time. Finally, they prevent organizations from overlooking high-risk activities. For example, large-scale profiling or automated decision-making processes that could seriously impact individuals' rights. Under the General Data Protection Regulation, these activities often requiring a formal data protection impact assessment. In simple terms, these assessments give organizations a clear picture of their data processes. They help document data flows, identify risks at each step, and suggest ways to reduce those risks. This might include pseudonymization or data minimization techniques. They also keep a record of privacy measures, which is important for accountability. Overall, data privacy impact assessments act as a shield. They prevent legal trouble, data breaches, excessive data collection, and harm to individuals' privacy. They also help organizations operate responsibly and build trust with their users. In today's data-driven world, they are a vital part of managing personal data safely and ethically.